Hey, are you looking for a simple way to make money online? Well, affiliate marketing might just be what you're looking for. So, what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a process where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale that's made through your unique link. It's a win-win for everyone involved. The product owner gets more sales, you get a commission, and the customer gets introduced to a product they might not have known about otherwise. So, how do you get started in affiliate marketing? First, find products or services that align with your interests and values. You'll want to promote something you believe in and feel comfortable recommending to others. Second, sign up for an affiliate program. Many companies offer them, including Amazon, eBay, and Target. Once you're approved, you'll get access to your unique affiliate link, which you can share through social media, your website, or email. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to be authentic and transparent. Tell your followers why you love the product and how it can benefit them. Be honest about the fact that you'll earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. This builds trust with your audience and increases the likelihood that they'll support you. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of affiliate marketing and see if it's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online.